Hey, what's up guys? I am Usman. Today in this video, I'm going to unbox the new Samsung Galaxy A03 Core. Plus, I will also give its quick review in this video. But before that, I want to tell you that for which people this phone is for. As from its name, Core, you can get the idea that this is very entry-level phone from the Samsung for those people who don't need a phone for a specific purpose like gaming or good camera. This phone is for those people who do just casual browsing on the phone to make a phone call or message. So, hope you got the idea what I want to say here. Now let's quickly unbox the phone. Let me open its wrapper. And here is the warranty card. And on top there is print of device with model number. Let's open the box. And there is another small box with the branding of the Samsung on top. Let's see what it contains. There are few paperwork, no silicone cover and screen protector. And here is the device on which few features are printed like Infinity V display, camera and battery. Let me take it out of its wrapper. Device back is really cool. What do you say about it? Please let me know in the comments below. Let me turn it on and let's see what's more in the box. And next in the box there is power adapter which is providing 7.8 watt charging. So this phone don't support fast charging. Next we have USB cable which is old type B port. And next there is SIM tool. And there is no hand-free with this device. No doubt phone back is really cool. And its back looks like leather but actually it's plastic. There is one camera on back and branding of Samsung. And if I talk about its more design, there is headphone jack, USB type B port and speaker on bottom of phone. Top is totally clean. Right side has volume rockers and power button. And on left side there is SIM tray which can hold dual SIM along with external storage at same time. And there is no fingerprint sensor on this phone. And on top there is 6.5-inch PLS TFT display which supports 720p resolution and 270 pixel per density. Brightness is fine but we can easily use phone outside. And there is 5 megapixel selfie camera packed in Infinity V display design. And if I talk about its performance, there is 28nm chipset which is octa-core. There is 2GB of RAM with 32GB of storage. In my opinion, it's not good phone for even casual gamers. There is Android 11 on this phone which is really good thing. This time on this phone, Samsung changed its menu style as you can see. Plus this time there is more integration of Google apps on a Samsung phone. Even there are two messaging apps on this phone. You can disable the Google Message app also. There is 8 megapixel camera on back with flash. Here are few camera shots that I took with the Galaxy A03 Core. See the shots and judge its camera quality. And here are few selfies. And last, there is 5000 mAh battery and this phone is available in black and blue color. So which color you are going to purchase? Please let me know in the comments below. So this was the quick unboxing and review of the Samsung Galaxy A03 Core. If you found this video helpful then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Take care. Peace for all.